behind the goal line, you're consistent. Okay? That's not bad. You can tell when the weight's moving. Watch, Michael. Turn, head, shoulders, that's good. See the weight coming down, the feet come out? You can feel it when you're out there. Not having your balance, that other skin time. Look how far out that was, right? So, there's going to be a time, we're going to start laddering. That's great. No, that's good.